Marty, the fact that you felt comfortable to come in my chat and say that you tell me, shut the fuck up, gang, your PC is a microwave, nigga. You probably wrote that shit 5 minutes ago and it just went through. That's how bad your shit is, gang. Your shit underfunded, nigga. You need government funding, nigga, to get for your PC, nigga. You need to make a petition, nigga. This shit terrible. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Okay? Zeus Bands live in the same household. He got a 10